I mean, oh my God, it was the worst thing I've ever heard. And it was really difficult. And that just keeps pounding in my head and been my driving force all these years to try to get justice.
A grieving father remembering his wife's scream the moment they learned their son had died under mysterious circumstances in his Metairie apartment. That father, Bob Arthur, had to investigate his own son's death 7 years ago and discovered what the police didn't, that Sean Arthur had been killed by burglars running a nationwide sex trafficking and identity theft scheme. WWL investigator David Hammer has been covering this case for years now. He joins us now with a new development. David?
Yeah, Katie, Bob Arthur is still trying to get answers about why police have not charged the people responsible for his son Sean's death. And today, he gets to see the district attorney's investigative file for the first time 14 months after he requested it. A federal judge found Randy Schenk and Dominique Berry guilty of drugging men who hired Berry for sex and robbing them while they were unconscious. One of those men was Sean Arthur. The judge ruled the drugs and alcohol Berry fed him one night in 2017 killed him.
And the judge even made the comment during the restitution hearing. He said, why are not murder charges being filed in this case?
Sean's father, Bob, lives in Missouri, but he knows in Louisiana, if someone dies as a result of another felony, it's murder. But in 2023, Jefferson Parish District Attorney Paul Connick decided not to press murder charges in Sean's death. Bob wanted to know why, so he filed this public records request for the DA's closed investigative file.
I had asked the district attorney's office to turn it over to a grand jury and let the people review the facts and make a decision. But that was not the case, so we did. We filed this.
7 months later, the DA told Bob he could have copies of the records for a fee of $18,000. How does it make you feel that they decided not to charge anybody in Sean's death, but they decided to charge you $18,000 to see the records?
Well, like I've told you before, it's been a struggle.
With the help of Tulane Law School's First Amendment Clinic, Bob sued the DA. And today, just before a hearing scheduled for Monday, the DA turned over the records for free.
I got 37,000 pages of documents to go through to figure out, to see if they actually gave me everything I was hoping to get. It took them 7 months to go through and redact. I've got like a month and a half to go through 37,000 pages, but it'll be done.
Now, District Attorney Paul Connick's office issued a statement today arguing Bob Arthur could have come into the office and viewed the records for free, although he lives hundreds of miles away. The statement said the DA decided to settle, quote, an unproductive dispute and avoid any further waste of time and resources. Devin?